WestPoint Home in downtown Chipley, Florida is celebrating Mother's Day with a present for you. WestPoint Home offers the very best name brand products at factory outlet prices every day, all year round, at a fraction of the cost of the big box stores. With the largest selection of name brand bed and bath products, from pillows and comforters to sheets, towels, and accessories. From brand names including Southern Tide, Izod, Martex, and Velux. WestPoint Home has the best in design innovation, style, and comfort, with brands representing the latest in home fashion. And WestPoint Home is celebrating with a Mother's Day special. April 29th through May 12th, enjoy a 50% discount on everything in the store as our way of saying thanks to Mom. Open 7 days a week in downtown Chipley, Florida on Main Street, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120. It's the WestPoint Home Mother's Day sale with a big thanks to Mom and 50% off everything in the store for 2 big weeks, April 29th through May 12th. So happy Mother's Day from WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet.